You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of the capital city of Norway, the Norwegian way, how it's usually said locally in Norway, Norwegian, and how it's pronounced in English, how you can easily pronounce it correctly. Norwegian pronunciation is Oslo. Oslo, alright? So, yeah, it's more like O-S-H-L-O, Oslo is how they pronounce it in Norway. In English, however, it's usually pronounced as Oslo. Oslo. Yes, some say it also as Oslo, but it's more commonly pronounced as the English pronunciation Oslo, Norwegian pronunciation Oslo. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.